Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Tired of spending hours manually copying email addresses and phone numbers from company websites? Let me show you how to automate the entire process in just a few clicks. This AI agent automatically visits company websites, finds their contact pages, and extracts all the information you need. Then it organizes everything directly into your Google Sheets. What used to take 3 minutes per company now happens in seconds, completely hands-free. Here's how it works. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet, where you've listed all the company websites you want to research. It then creates a loop that processes each company one by one. For every website, an AI-powered browser visits the page, navigates to the contact section, and intelligently extracts email addresses, phone numbers, and other contact details. The agent then searches your spreadsheet to find the correct row for that company and updates it with the contact information it found. The whole system uses two main integrations. First, Google Sheets lets the agent read your company list and write back the results. Second, browser automation gives the agent the ability to actually visit websites and understand page layouts just like a human would, but much faster. Setting it up takes about 5 minutes. You'll connect your Google account, paste your spreadsheet URL, and the agent handles the rest. The AI prompt tells it exactly what to look for, and you can customize this if you need specific types of contact information. You can start with just a handful of websites to test it out. Watch as the agent processes each one and populates your spreadsheet in real time. Once you're confident it's working, scale up to hundreds or even thousands of companies. This is perfect for sales teams building prospect lists, recruiters gathering company contacts, or anyone doing market research. Stop wasting time on manual data entry and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Ready to automate your lead research? Deploy this agent now and start extracting contact information in minutes.